different types of Englishes. There's spoken English, there's written English, and now there's even text English. You know, and the thing is that you have to learn when it's appropriate to use those different kinds of Englishes.
They don't
And
use
they,
text.
yeah,
And they can't, it's,
Hi, babies.
they can't speak, they can't use personal pronouns.
yeah.
It's horrible.
Well, and they can, they just don't. And it's like, I tell them, when you talk to your friends, you have one kind of English, but you wouldn't talk that way if you were talking to a boss.
No, but you know, they get away with it, and it's their teachers. Yeah, Steve.
Now, melee, melee.
No, they're 8 o'clock. Yeah.
Now you're moving,
Oh,
guys.
it's 9 on Tuesday. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, good, Steve. We'll see ya. Uh-huh. Bye.
Oh, a big drink.
Oh,
Oh,
see, I coach golf at St. Joe, and I